I ain't moving weight, but I'm in a dope position.
I ain't moving weight, but I'm in a dope position.
Work hard just to get happy.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another video. This video is going to be all about this hair. This hair is from Klaiyi hair. This is their texture Brazilian straight. I have in 4 bundles and a lace frontal, 13 by 4 lace frontal, which I constructed into a unit myself. So I've been wearing this hair for about 2 weeks straight, so I can tell you how I feel about the hair overall, pros and cons, all the tea. So when I received the hair, the first thing I noticed was the bundles were super silky, but they were super thin. So I went ahead and added a 4th bundle. Originally I was sent 3 in a frontal, but when I was looking through the hair, I realized that it wouldn't be full enough to wear it in a straight look like this. Like if you were gonna curl it, you could probably get away with 3 bundles because it gives it volume, but to wear it pin straight, it just was too thin. So this here, what you see, is 4 bundles and a frontal. But I did color their hair. It came in a natural black. I used L'Oreal High Color for dark hair in the color Magenta, and I used 40 volume for this one. I did a little different. For 2 bundles I used 40 volume. For 2 other bundles I used 30, and for the frontal I used 40. So I wanted highlights, lowlights, all that stuff. So that's what I did, and the outcome was pretty nice. It's a really nice color. It doesn't pick up as vibrant under these lights, but under sunlight, natural light, you can see the magenta pop. I'm gonna try to get some clips of what it looks like in different lighting because this is not doing it justice. So for my inches, I have in 22, 24, 26, and a 20-inch frontal. So 20-inch frontal with a 22, 24, 26, and that extra 26 that I added. So the bottom bundles are doubled up. I do have a little bit of hair left over. This is it. You can actually see the color a little better on this piece. This might be the piece that I use a 40 volume, but this is the color. I do get some shedding with this hair. Not a lot, but I definitely get shedding. I did show you how I like maintain my unit because I had this unit on since yesterday, but I just showed you how I touch it up like I'm getting ready to go. So I was showing you how I would touch up my wig on a regular, as far as baby hairs, flat iron, all of that. So say you sleep in your units and you just want to refresh it before you hit the road, stay tuned for the rest of the video. You'll see how I do that. But so far I like the hair. It is a nice purchase. My favorite has to be how silky straight it is. It's super silky. My least favorite thing about the hair has to be the shedding. I could do without it. It does tangle up a little bit back here. But remember, I processed this hair with volume, 30 volume or 40 volume, so it gets a little tangly back here. The ends of the hair are pretty even. I did clip it very little, but before clipping it, it was still even. That's the back of it. So it's super long. And I love long. You know how I feel about them inches. And these inches are hitting. Okay? I haven't tried to curl this hair. I'm pretty sure it will hold a bomb curl, but I typically get straight hair to wear it straight. So that's what I did the whole time I wore this hair. If you follow me on Snapchat, you've seen this hair. I have been rocking it. Like, this has been my consistent. I really like this color. So I wanted to, like, you know, really wear her, feel her, get to know her. And she's alright. I'm going to leave all Klaiyi's information down below. I have worked with Klaiyi hair before, but it was always on their curly texture hair. I'll try to link those reviews in the description box in case you're interested in seeing what that hair was like. But my first time working with their straight hair, and I'm not mad about it at all. Okay, so definitely stay tuned. Oh, and I did record a tutorial on how I achieved this color. So I don't know if I'm gonna upload that before this video or after this video, but I do have a video on how I achieved this color, so stay tuned for that. And all details, it will be in the description box. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, and until next time.
Lonely. Yeah. I walked in with bands, you walked in a big hater.
Big hater.
I don't fuck with weak bitches, see you later.
Yeah.
He said he.
Yeah.
Lonely. Yeah. He said he wanna freak every day of the week. Well, I said money is power, nigga, these feelings ain't free. And I be damned if a broke nigga eating off me. Said I be damned if a broke nigga eating off me. He said he wanna freak every day of the week. Well, I said money is power, nigga, these feelings ain't free. And I be damned if a broke nigga eating off me. Said I be damned if a broke nigga eating off me. I don't send shots, I direct shit, make direct deposits. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. He said I'm his favorite. He call me bang shit. You know I got flavors, bitch. You know that I'm major. I walked in with bands. You walked in a big hater. I don't fuck with weak bitches. Tata, see you later. 3 bands for a walk through the turn up with my crew. We got bottles shaking ass and your girl is with us too. And this nigga keep on calling. Yeah, it better be good news. Cause I just got on my level. Yeah, he better not blow my mood. He know if he do, I'ma have an attitude. He call me his little baby. Give me 5 bands for my shoes. He said he wanna freak every day of the week. Well, I said money is power, nigga, these feelings ain't free. And I be damned if a broke nigga eating off me. Said I be damned if a broke nigga eating off me. He said he wanna freak every day of the week. Well, I said money is power, nigga, these feelings ain't free. And I be damned if a